nation is observing the 6th anniversary of APS tragedy that took place on 16th day of December 2014. 6 TTP militants attacked the school, shot 133 students and 17 teachers staffers down. After 8 hours operation, Pakistan Army soldiers killed the terrorists and cleared the school area. Convinced that the conspiracy for the APS attack was hatched in Afghanistan, the then COAS met Afghan President, Army Chief and the ISAF commander, asking them to extradite TTP Chief Mullah Fazlullah. Pakistani COAS presented evidence of the Peshawar massacre's linkage with TTP sanctuaries in Afghan provinces of Kunar and Nuristan. That carnage not only profoundly shocked the world, but also changed the view of the masses about militancy. National Action Plan was launched and Army augmented its offensive against terrorist hold-up in tribal areas. Special military courts were established and terrorists were hanged.